A garden obelisk. It's a structure with a history as rich as a well-tended vegetable patch. Imagine ancient Egypt, those towering monuments reaching for the sky. Now picture a smaller version nestled amongst your roses or beans. That's a garden obelisk, a beautiful and practical addition to any garden. But it's not just about looks. An obelisk gives your climbing plants the support they crave. It's like a friendly, sturdy neighbor they can lean on as they stretch towards the sun. Clematis, honeysuckle, even vegetables like runner beans, they all benefit from a helping hand upwards. An obelisk adds height and structure, transforming a flat expanse into a dynamic three-dimensional space. And let's not forget the birds. They'll appreciate a perch with a view, adding a touch of birdsong to your garden symphony. So if you're looking for a way to add a touch of architectural charm and provide your climbing plants with the support they need, why not have a go at building your own garden obelisk? Now let's talk materials. Wood is a classic choice for a garden obelisk. It's natural, affordable, and relatively easy to work with. You can use sturdy timber like cedar or redwood, known for their weather resistance. If you're after a rustic look, reclaimed wood adds character and charm. Metal is another excellent option, offering a sleek, modern aesthetic. Powder-coated steel is durable and low maintenance, while copper develops a beautiful patina over time. Just remember, metal can get hot in the sun, so consider the location carefully. Feeling adventurous? Get creative. Bamboo poles, willow branches, even upcycled materials like old ladders or trellises can all be transformed into unique and charming obelisks. The key is to choose materials that are sturdy, weather-resistant, and complement your garden style. And remember, there's no right or wrong answer. Let your imagination bloom. For this project, we will focus on making a wooden obelisk. First, gather your materials and tools. You'll need 4 wooden posts, approximately 6 to 8 feet long and 2 to 4 inches thick, several shorter wooden planks for the crossbars, screws or nails, a saw, a drill, a measuring tape, a spirit level, and safety glasses and gloves. Now let's build. Step 1. Prepare the posts. Cut the 4 wooden posts to your desired height, remembering to allow for some of the posts to be buried for stability. Use the saw to create pointed tops for the posts, adding a touch of elegance. Step 2. Create the base. Lay 2 of the posts parallel to each other, about 1 to 2 feet apart. Attach a crossbar at each end, forming a rectangular base. Use screws or nails to secure the crossbars to the posts. Step 3. Assemble the sides. Stand the remaining 2 posts upright at the other ends of the base crossbars. Attach them securely with screws or nails. Step 4. Add the crossbars. Cut the remaining wooden planks into shorter pieces to create crossbars. Attach these crossbars horizontally between the 4 posts, spacing them evenly. This creates the lattice structure for your climbing plants to climb. Step 5. Finishing touches. Sand down any rough edges and apply a weather-resistant finish if desired. Once dry, your obelisk is ready to be installed in your garden. Section 4. A place for climbers to thrive. Choosing the right plants. Now for the fun part, choosing your climbing companions. Roses with their romantic blooms are a classic choice for obelisks. Clematis, in a riot of colors and forms, adds a touch of drama. Honeysuckle with its sweet fragrance attracts pollinators and perfumes the air. But don't limit yourself. Fast-growing annuals like morning glories and black-eyed Susans provide a burst of color. For a touch of whimsy, try climbing nasturtiums. They're edible flowers adding a dash of flavor to salads. When planting near your obelisk, ensure the soil is loose and well-drained. Dig a hole slightly larger than the plant's root ball, and gently place the plant in the hole. Backfill with soil, water well, and guide the plant's stems towards the obelisk. As your plants grow, tie them loosely to the obelisk for support, using soft twine or plant ties. Regular watering and feeding will ensure your climbing companions thrive, transforming your obelisk into a vertical tapestry of color and texture. Section 5. Conclusion. Enjoy the fruits and flowers of your labor. There you have it, a beautiful hand-built obelisk, ready to enhance your garden and provide your climbing plants with the support they need to truly flourish. It's a project that combines creativity, craftsmanship, and a love for all things green. Building your own garden obelisk is a rewarding experience, allowing you to add a touch of personal style and create a focal point that reflects your unique gardening vision. And as you watch your climbing plants embrace their new support, reaching for the sky with newfound vigor, you'll feel a sense of satisfaction that only comes from creating something beautiful with your own 2 hands. So why not gather your materials, put on your gardening gloves, and embark on this fulfilling project. Your garden and your climbing plants will thank you for it.